ஸோ இது வந்து என்னுடைய இன்ஸ்டா அக்கௌண்ட்டுங்க. நீங்கள் அதுக்கு ஃபாலோ பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் எப்போ வேணால் என்னை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு எந்த டெக்னிக்கல் கைடன்ஸும் கொடுக்க ரெடியாக இருக்குங்க. 24 ஹவர்ஸுமே வந்து I'll be available to respond you. இது இல்லாமல் வந்து வெப் டிசைனிங் கோர்சஸ் இல்லை மற்ற கோர்சஸ் ஏதாவது படிக்கணும்னா இந்த நம்பர்ஸை நீங்கள் காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாங்க. உங்களுக்கு எந்த ஹெல்ப் வந்தாலும் காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். வெப் டிசைன் சீரிஸ் HTML third video, what is a web application? A web application is nothing but an application which is available, which can be exposed and which can be run in the internet. Okay, or it can be in intranet also. So if we talk about an application, it is classified into two major areas. The application which is running the desktop, that is called as desktop applications, and the application running in the web via the browsers, that is called the web applications. And the web applications is sub-classified into two major areas. It can be an intranet application which is running in the office itself, or it can be an internet application, it is exposed in the outside world. Okay, so via the intranet or internet, but still the applications can be run only in the browsers. Okay, and they are using web to access it. That is why it is called as web application. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. You are able to see what is web application. I'm clicking it here. So web application is nothing but there is a client and there is a server. The request from the client will go to the server and it will be like you will be getting the page here. And this can be an application server or it can be a database server. And the request is moving here and it will reach the database. From here it is reflecting back and it is coming back and you'll be getting the process, the request. So this is how this is area's client side, and this one they consider as the server side programming. Okay, and this is how your flow of web application works.